Hey, how you doing this morning? It's Saturday morning. We're headed to the Columbus Zoo. We're going to try out our equipment. We're going to do the Canon EOS R5 C body with the Canon 100 to 500 telephoto lens with the 2x doubler to get us even closer to the animals. So this is just a hardware test this morning, but we're going to the Columbus Zoo. So let's check it out. Let's have some fun and try out some gear. So here we are at the Columbus Zoo. One of the cool features of the Columbus Zoo is they have electrical chargers. So we're going to go over here to the charge point electrical charger, and we're going to charge up the Nissan Leaf while we are taking pictures. So that's pretty neat. So let's get that done.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
So the first place I went was to the elephants. So I took some pictures outside. The pictures came out really well. The detail is great. Taking a picture with this lens, you feel like you're on the other side of the fence right up next to the animals. You see the light and the detail in the light on this one. It's really nice. I saw a rabbit in the tortoise enclosure. Zoomed in, that rabbit was probably 50 yards away, and I was able to get a really good shot of that rabbit, and the tortoise shell looks amazing in the sunlight. The Komodo dragon was there. There was a reflection on the glass, and I wasn't able to get rid of the reflection on the glass, but the outside shots with the white balance looks very good. The colors look really good. Stay to the end where I'm going to put my photo album so you can enjoy the pictures I took today at the end of the video. So stay to the end. Then I went over to the lorikeet aviary, which was shocking because the greens, the reds, the yellows, the blues, this room was very dark, and I had the camera set for auto adjust, so I tried to have it do autofocus and auto adjusting to the light, and look at the brilliant colors that came out. To help me with some of the weight, I bought a belt clip which has a hot shoe mount for the bottom of the camera, and it came unscrewed, so I'm glad I tried that. I'm glad the pin came out while I was taking pictures and I happened to notice it. That could have been catastrophic. It's too important. You need it to be very stable, so I'm just going to use the strap from now on. So after the lorikeets and the beautiful colors, I went back outside to take some more pictures of the gorillas and walked around taking some shots in the sunlight, and the detail is amazing in these photographs. I'm very impressed with the camera, the cinematic. The color in each one is amazing. I'm very happy. I went inside the aquarium to take some pictures, and of course the glass reflections were a problem, but it took some amazing pictures inside, almost near, well, it took some amazing pictures in near total darkness. Okay, so that's it. That wraps up our shot at the Columbus Zoo today. There weren't any elephants, there weren't any otters or giraffes, so I was a little disappointed. The wind was blowing pretty good, but the sunlight was awesome. So enjoy the photo album. I'll post the pictures and videos next. You can see how this 100 to 500 lens performs when you put it on the EOS R5 C. The belt clip was an epic fail, this guy. I mean, when you look at what it did, it came out unattached from the camera, which is pretty bad considering the consequences that could have been had. So this is going in the trash. It was a good, interesting idea. I mean, a holster, I like having a holster, but it's got to be sturdy or it's not going to work. So anyway, thanks for joining me on this video, and sit back and relax and enjoy the videos and photographs in the photo album for what I took today. See you next time.